So Mia and I don't always go wild swimming, but today we just really felt like it because the colder months are upon us and we just won't be able to go over the winter because it will be too cold. But yeah, there's just something about going into cold water together, even on a gloomy day like this, that makes us feel so good. Just a quick disclaimer as well, we wouldn't do this on our period or like in late luteal because warmth and rest needs to be the priority at this time of our cycles. And yeah, if you didn't already know, the benefits to cold exposure or cold water exposure are mental clarity, because you're fully aware of your bodily sensations and you're present in the moment. It stimulates white blood cell production, and it also helps with reducing inflammation, and it releases endorphins that obviously make you feel good and fight off any depression, low mood, anxiety, things like that. We just went for a little dip in the pond.
It's a little bit cold, but always just feels so good afterwards.
And now we're gonna go get some raw milk. We're gonna go to Gale's and get some coffee and pastries, and then we're also gonna get some ingredients to make some soup. But yeah,
Come with us.
come along.
Bye.
Our free and very effective antidepressant medication is going into nature. Getting outside, even when it's gloomy, is so good for us. I know our natural inclination would be to stay indoors and to hibernate, and that's normal and also a good thing. But we need to see the sun, the sky, nature, and other human beings to help with nervous system regulation and our sleep-wake cycle, which both affect our general mood. If we're not going outside at all and getting any sunlight in our eyes, then we are disrupting our body's natural circadian rhythm, and getting that morning sunlight naturally will boost our serotonin. There's also nothing quite like going out for a walk when it's cold and then coming back to a warm house and having a hot drink or a hot meal. So this is your sign to go for a little morning walk after you've woken up. And I know not everyone has access to a nice walkable area, but even if it's just 5 minutes up and down your road or around your block, then that'll do you wonders. Right, so for the tomato soup recipe, it's pretty straightforward. You basically just need 2 to 3 packs of some tomatoes. It's nice if you get like a variety of tomato, and red pepper is also really good in this too. You're also going to need onion, garlic, rosemary, basil, olive oil, salt, pepper, and then cream and chicken stock or vegetable stock if you have it, and then also honey, just a little bit on top, and then you obviously lick the spoon. And then pop it into the oven at around 180 degrees for 30 to 40 minutes. And then when that's done, you can pop it into a pot and blend it together with the cream and the chicken stock, and then serve with a toasty or toast or whatever you like. This was so good, and with the cream on top as well, it was just delicious. If you want to be even more seasonal, butternut squash and pumpkin are in season, so definitely give that a go if you want to make some seasonal soups.